Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious pepper rice. This rice is so easy, so delicious. You are going to love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, leave your comment for me, and please help me to share this video. To my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, here are my ingredients. I have my rice here. I've already washed this rice. I'm using the regular rice. So here is tatashi. I'm using just tatashi and uh, scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, I'm not using bawa because I don't want to change the color of the rice, because bawa is going to make the rice to be red and I don't want that. So here is my chopped onions. You can use as much onions as you want to. Okay, and here is my minced ginger and garlic. This is not optional, please don't skip it. Okay, and you can use any protein of your choice, but me, I'm using smoked fish. I smoked this fish myself. Okay, I've already removed fish from there. I used it to make another dish, so I'm just using this. So this is just the protein I have. Okay, so now we are going to start now to make our rice. In a clean and dried pot, I'll be heating up some cooking oil, and then I will go in with my onions. Once the oil is hot, just add in your onions. Okay, I'll be adding in my minced ginger and garlic at this point, and then I will add in my thyme. I'm not using uh, curry powder for this recipe because I'll be making use of curry leaf. So you're going to see that. Okay, I'll be adding curry leaf. That's why I'm not making use of curry powder. But if you want, you can still use the curry powder and still add in your curry leaf. So I'm going to stir this now to combine all of this together, and then I'm going to allow this to fry for about 2 minutes. Guys, this recipe is straight to the point, like, and it's just one pot dish. It's not time wasting. If you're looking for an easy recipe, you don't have strength to make any meal, just try this, and it's so yummy. You're going to love it. Okay, and it doesn't even require much ingredients. It doesn't even require much ingredients at all. So now that our onions is fried, I'll be adding in my pepper mix. So this is just my tatashi and the red scotch bonnet pepper, and then I'm going to stir it now. I will cover the pot and allow this to fry. Okay, now that our pepper mix is fried, I'll be adding in my washed rice. I didn't parboil this rice, okay, because the rice is already parboiled. It's a parboiled rice. So I just wash the rice until the water runs clear. So now I'm going to be adding in my rice. Okay, I'll be stir frying this rice too. I'm going to mix everything now, and then I will stir fry the rice for about 5 to 8 minutes. I will add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi chicken here, so I'm going to add it in, and then I will continue to stir fry the rice. So now I'll be adding in my water. I don't have any meat stock, so that's why I'm just using just water. But if you have meat stock, you can add it in, okay? I'm just going to add water slightly above the rice, and then I'm going to add in my salt because I've not added salt to this, okay? I'm just going to add some salt to this now. I will stir, cover the rice, and allow this to cook on medium to low heat, okay, so that I will not be adding any more water. So our rice is almost done now. I'm going to be adding in my smoked fish now, okay? I'm going to add in the smoked fish, and then I'll flip up the rice so that the one under can go down and the one down can come up, so that the rice can cook evenly. Guys, if you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you have not liked this video up to now, this is the best time to like the video so that you will not forget, okay? Please help me to like the video, and also help me to share this video, okay? And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Our rice is almost ready, let's say 97% ready. So now I'm just going to flip the rice again, and then I will add in my curry leaf. So I'm going to add in the curry leaf, and I will cover the pot and allow this to cook for just a minute, okay? A minute, guys. A minute later, I'm going to mix the rice very well now to combine all of these things together. Guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you liked this video? Please like, subscribe, do all that beautiful stuff to the channel, okay? Don't forget to share this video, okay? Help me to share my videos so that I can get to wider audience. And guys, this is what we have. Our yummy and delicious pepper rice is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. This recipe is just straight to the point. It's stress free. No, you don't need much ingredients to prepare this, and it's so delicious and yummy. You're going to love this, okay? You're going to love this, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to do all of that good stuff to the channel. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.